Hi traders, welcome to the full market analysis for the 1st of May. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Well, what can we say about the Quant Flow Dynamics version 3.1? An unbelievable session this morning, 450 pips banked, and it looks like it's heading for another target as we speak. So a fantastic end to the week. I'll cover this in the next few minutes, how this works, why it works, and why you should have it. These are the best trading charts in the world, bar none. And I've been trading for over 35 years. And what I've tried to do here with the latest update is to ensure that it's very easy on the eye. As an example, color coding is now included in the Quant Flow Dynamics. And you can see here what happened this morning on the left and on the right. Very simple and straightforward. You're just going to follow the red for the sell and green for the buy. We have a buy actually happening now live, and as we can see, when the price breaks, it actually gives you 3 targets. Let's enlarge this 10-minute chart for you so we can see what's going on. So take profit 3 has been hit, 46.23, so it's 400 pips or something. I've got a target up here at about 46.31. But let's see why on the 5-minute chart. So what I do here is I have the 10-minute versus the 5. You can have the 30-minute versus the 15. You can have whatever you like. It doesn't matter as long as both charts agree with your analysis. So as the price comes up, you've got a beautiful long position here, and the price went up and everything's green. Green on the left, green on the right. Keep it simple to make a lot of money. Now, if the price does not hit target by the end of the day, then I would take the money off the table. I don't want to hold positions over the weekend because anything can happen, can't it? So at the end of the day, we've banked 450 pips on the way down, and it looks like we're going to be banking something like 460. If it goes to target, that's going to give us about 528 pips. So congratulations to everybody. The Pine Script code update is ready. This is it. This is what you get, and I'll be sending it to all the existing VIP members who have subscribed to the Quant Flow Dynamics. If you haven't subscribed or you don't have these charts yet, then please look at the links below in description where you can access them. So let's have a look at the markets across the board. There really isn't much else going on in terms of Forex, but have a look at gold as an example of the Quant Flow Dynamics version 3.1. Color coding gets you into the trade and gets you out of the trade. It's very simple and straightforward. If it's below the blue line, you're looking for sells. If it's above the blue line, you're looking for buys. If you're looking for buys above the blue line and everything's green, then of course that is your opportunity to get in. So let's have a quick look around. There isn't much going on in terms of trends. If we have a look at the dollar, it looks like gold has just been hit according to my alert. There we go. So that's been hit for 410 pips. Congratulations, members. So we can see that the DXY is very mixed indeed. The colour is showing red, but it's actually not going anywhere. Congratulations on Aussie USD. Now this is not colour coded because it's completely mixed, to be honest. If we have a look at this here, it's been in range bound for some time, but what was the key to the success of this trade was a triple bottom on this demand area. So all you do is just dial down into a 1 hour chart and you see what's going on. This is going to be hit in the next hour or so. And you can see that it goes green there with an up on your software. So you're just looking for this. This is ideal as well with divergence all over the place, and you're looking for the price to go green, and that is your entry point. And just make sure that you have a risk to reward of 2 times risk to reward. Well done. So let's have a look back to the 4 hour chart. But that is despite markets being very mixed this week, so congratulations on that. It's been tough conditions the last few weeks, hasn't it, with the tensions in Iran. Nobody really knows what's going to happen next, and that is the problem. just flicking through the charts. I haven't seen this. I've been playing golf today. So this is the key here. You don't need to spend hours on the charts. You don't need to spend hours on the charts. It's not necessary. So as I come down into the yens, they're all falling down, but I need to see a pullback into these charts. I need a pullback in the charts. I'm not going to trade it willy-nilly. So what I'm looking for here, we have confirmation of a bearish, of course, and we're looking for the price to come up and become oversold, ideally into this area, and then fall down. And that's across all the yens. All the yens are doing exactly the same thing. Congratulations on the Euro Swiss. Again, it's not color coded because it's not in a massive up or down trend. It's simply just going up and down, thinking about where it wants to go next. But what we did have, we had enough information with a very strong sell power of 67, which is the combo that we want, and the rejection on supply. So that just gave us that nice bit of profit there. Bitcoin, well, you can see the areas that you might want to be buying in. See how the price comes down to the blue line quite often, and everything stays green. The key is that at the point of entry, everything should be green, because it's then confirmed. If it's red, then you don't want to be buying it. Just looking across the board, that looks like it's pretty much it. We don't have anything. Let me just have a quick look at the indices. I think the whole world is just a little bit. We've got a sell on the S&P 500, but no confirmation. FTSE 100 is pretty much sideways. Hang Seng looks like it may go up after the positive divergence on demand, but no clarification. There is a possible reversal here. No, sell power 59, not good enough for us. Now that's it. So a fantastic day in terms of gold. As it moved up, it went down, didn't it? 450 pips. Congratulations. I think that's over 1,000 pips or so in one day, in the first day of Quant Flow Dynamics version 3.1. Come and get it, folks.